Hello viewers, welcome in another episode with random act of kindness. This is Parcel from Quirky Garage uh, or Orel for people who knows him a little bit better. He has channel on YouTube and it's worth to watch and it's worth to read his comments because he's one of those encyclopedias, walking encyclopedias full of knowledge about cars, about car manufacturers, about diecast manufacturers. So it's always worth to watch and read him. I will start with this beautiful thing. The craftsmanship behind it is just amazing. That's just cosmic level, and now we know this is star of the show. I'm trying to be a little bit less boring, so I try to start like some big fantastic movie makers would advise. I can't do earthquake or something like that, so I started with something so shocking as this star of the show. I got leather, but I will keep it for myself. It's too top secret. No, it isn't. It's he just accepted. I called him fake Paul because he has Polish roots. I would say he's not fake Paul. He's just Paul in disguise. It sounds much better. But it's now time for less exciting items. Still very exciting, but not as exciting as star of the show. Welly and Porsche 964 Turbo. Yeah, 964 Turbo. Rubber tires, nice wheels. Nice front with acrylic inserts. Nice rear with acrylic lamps. We can open doors, which is not as easy as you think, but can be done. And interior is very, very nice. You know, people will sometimes complain, well, it's cheap, etc. It's cheap, but quality of those models, when we take into consideration how much they cost, that's great value. And this Porsche is welcome in my collection. I got even Hot Wheels Subaru WRX STI, yes, in fantastic white livery with red and black. Another part of me, the biggest part of me, because I love loose cars, you know, not only, I'm not keeping my models in boxes or blisters like many collectors do. I understand why they are doing it, but for me, I like to feel that car, to look at it properly, especially when I'm looking at something so beautiful. Alpine A110 from Majorette in legendary blue color. Oh, this is one of the most beautiful cars ever. I have Noref, now I have Majorette. I will buy many more. I have in 143 scale. I need to buy something in bigger scale because I love this car. Bought modern version of classic, and especially that classic one. Next one is Dodge Charger 1966 Johnny Lightning in a beautiful black and blue flames livery. It's just wonderful model. I love old American cars, I love modern cars as well, but those old classics are just such interesting cars. And you know, even if it is that Hot Wheelish livery, which to be honest is not Hot Wheelish, because in US they like such styling, and I understand it fits perfectly those cars. And nice details. Charger 426. Lovely. Now it's time to see some boxed cars. I already prepared those, so it won't be taking too long to open it. 1/60 scale, Welly in really interesting Wonder kits. I feel like Wonder spoiled kit now. Audi R8, white livery, V10. Very, very nice looking car. And maybe this isn't my favorite sport car, but if you compare it with some modern cars, where you know, when you start engine and there need to be some kind of music played to make it sound better, this Audi sounds fantastic. It's not my favorite shape, etc., but I like it. But when you connect it with sound of that V10, oh, this is art then. Next one, yellow Porsche. This is like compilation of all Porsches. Porsche Taycan Turbo S, Porsche 911. Oh, I started to speak in Klingon. Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, Porsche Cayenne Turbo, Porsche 959, blah 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 blah. Or it's just a list of licenses. (911) Carrera S, probably because there is no room for more. And something which stands out with this car. I often say yellow is one of most tricky color when it comes to die-cast models, because difficulty to paint it properly, to don't see discoloration, and here it's almost perfect. I'm just astonished. This is very, very like popular, you know, not expensive, it's cheap. It's on the cheap side of the spectrum. And that yellow paint looks great. Maybe here's some hints. It's not even like proper discoloration. It's just hints, you know, it could be done a little bit better. But I just accept, you know, it's just amazing. And then those wheels are really nice. It fits well. We have front tempos, we have rear tempos. Nice tempos, I would say. So this is fantastic model. And now we can finish with one of my all-time favorites. This is Hot Hatch. It's so hot it's red. Renault 5. Lovely car. I know it's not crazy fast, but it did its job really well. It's still in use in many places. It's idiot proof. It's bad road proof. Easy to fix, and it offers enough room, and it will move you from point A to B. Maybe not at speeds close to light speed, but it will do it. Really, one of most iconic cars, and I'm very, very happy to have one. So, alright, thank you very much. I will put all those models together now. And by the way, now I discovered that bigger Porsche is pulled back. Because when I try to just move it a little bit, it moved even faster forward afterwards. So, oh, Star of the show. How could I forget about it? It wouldn't be all without start of the show. So thank you again. I appreciate it. I feel touched. It's fantastic feeling, and you can be sure I will retaliate. And you know I will, because already I have most of what I will send to you. This will be all those will be stars of my collection because I'm very sentimental Paul. Thank you again, thank you all watching this video for your attention, for staying with me. I hope you will get something as nice as I got, more than just once. As usual, all the best for all of you and see you soon. Bye bye.